Hello. Hi. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
I'm over the moon. What is your name?
My name is Ramisha Sultana Raha, but you can call me Raha because it's my nickname. What is your name?
My name is Ashima Jadiba, but you can call me Adiba because it's my nickname. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
What is your school's name?
The name of my school is Khoddo Saptana Government Primary School.
What class do you study in?
I study in class 5.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Rokunuzzaman Rokon.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Saleha Akhtar Shapla.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a successful housewife.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is rose.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a pilot.
Thank you.